special prosecutor one mu etu ne to ade so ana say ye pam no Jeff, am I being taken from here na afi me hwe ba bia I'll position myself na o hwe eye de ekoso with the special prosecutor and sensem no a in fact na me follow trend ne kakra me tete hu nsem kakra and the cause for his men can say his removal man for pese yetu na de so no ma wo mu push forward say money yetu na de so utie eye one of the renowned lawyers in eye Ghana Martin Pebua onokra na lead demonstration what say OSP no ma bi a wo ye ni delay wo eye prosecution hu no no he's not happy and as for him he wish say enka yapamo OSP and his excellency John Dramani Mama empamu OSP and I say onji na juma emfiri ni nsem. In fact, some other activists and so a question a budget here OSP the office up till now say there hasn't been the results expected from that office. They mun komodie pinua asore ekoso. It be just about 1 billion Ghana cedis budget here so far. The office of the special prosecutor again ni anasa waje woni dwumadie mu de ebo dwumana nso expectations no ontumi enru ho since 2018 na dwuma investigations awodo bi ne no ma bi a ohya ase a na yehu ni se nanka ebeko yie manfo akasa pii but matietie na matie mu nsem a na the OSP si yebeka ya ebra obabeto ankwanoma so what the crab for ye or ye ni obetumi ne breast one na okono we saw as ni demeanor ni mood and said ye na osi kasa no ehun se na no ma bi ekoso ana hadwene na ochirechire mu e ma ye hu se o se institutions a say ono collaborating with women no science institutions no ono man that collaboration no afei so sa me yete ase se eduru ba bi kra no court no no bedi dwuma eduru ba bi a anamotu obetu so wo court akoka eye an investigation ni some prosecutions a wo ye humuaye no obeduru ho no na yetietia nanamom ama de wo ye no intimi nsipo na ni nyina sa times obekaya na obo president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo na ban itisu because na ban mu na sa abre no make that particular comment na recently manfo bonechi no OSP eba bonten ekasai in fact during an interview or explaining say kanino na ne ho kire no wodi dwumadiem because akwanya na so wonya di ne dwuma no ase ye tietia na namomu ma wontimi nkɔ ne yie etikeno of reata issues yi bae no what is a manfo bonechi pa se wutie lawyer Martin Pebu ni wo mo aka no a je se DNT na so OSP tena ho make no furi ata kwansa but OSP abeyi anu akasa mbese etie kakra ye wia na ne me wo kana maka wayi anu kakra yentie no
Nhyira
104.5.
When he left, the president was Nana Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
At the time. When he left, the president was Nana Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
At the time he left, we were not getting the cooperation at the time from other security agencies.
You weren't getting cooperation?
No, we're not.
You had asked for them?
Oh, we asked for all that, but we were not. It was as if there was a policy of block the OSP out. That was what we were facing, and that was the circumstances under which we were being expected to perform. I think I've complained about these things.
I was here, bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5. Na join here live on Facebook and YouTube. Na yen koswenti special prosecutor some of the information or they may
over national security. Nope. at the time. The situation is different now. National Signals Bureau, no, at the time. The situation is different now. National Intelligence Bureau, zero. At the time, the situation is different now. I mean, the security setup was stacked up against the OSP, so we will not be able to perform our job. This was the situation in which we found ourselves. And I'm being asked how I let Ken Oforiatta through this.
Enti OSP no na utie ne nsankaye ne nyina mu a ne opa kire ne se ebi bisa se Ken Oforiatta de enti ne ugyan ma ne koye na afi na oye ho ayi no wose sabre no NIB National Intelligence Bureau investigative departments ahodo an anka se collaborate with omo no di dwuma no sabre no under aban dada no apenso ase ya chichire ne nsa egu na chintini dwumadi anu wodi mu no ye ma ne kwan ni dwuma se de na se fata eti wo pebibi anase collaboration wo pebibi ase etu mu anamo na ye den e de ama no ejirimu a ode aba no ba wo sesei a o kasei as of this year a new government abai no the situation anu wo mu kane no e different so what ya or say the situation is different now. It's a sign hindrances and no face no a free ho. Na bra Facebook Jeff Fatu Sumame IMF confirm this by almost statement via almost by Jeff Fatu na menkai join your Facebook and any follow so better there mekano ase. It do not make him a statement, not this one. Not this one. It's a form of flyer. No. IMF a statement baya enuni to what join Facebook or say IMF warns chronic underfunding and political interference crippling Ghana's anti-corruption system. And the corruption you fight anti-corruption system now OSP are part of it no. IMF confirm say as of last year edebano na investigative departments no ne anti-corruption agency system na OSP ka ho bi no na political interference amanyofo ede ye hu wurawuram omu koye we ya na yesi wo mu kwan na ye wurawuram case bi won bepeso won bekọ ho na yesi wo mu kwan no saa de no IMF confirm say na ekoso se wi sikasem enhyehyɛ ya enhyeda enkoyie wo bom budget sika ede so wo mu mu a politicians no so obstruct or interfere. This is confirmed by IMF. It is not only the OSP or making the case known, but IMF also identified the interference by political figures and our political authority. Now, share some of OSP the grievances here what they are today FA Yoko Shraj CID NIB ni adia one collaborations no na enshada enko yi na oka ho asemi yenhwe mra edi OSP ne bai ankasa o hwe OSP act no a o hwe act no 4(2) no a o say section 4(2) no a o say subject to clause 4 of article but me reading one number or say except as otherwise provided in the constitution the office is not subject to the direction or control of a person or an authority in performance of the functions of the office or just a special prosecutor I just say be a Ghana mrakuni nimu unim say act bia no the final authority ni Ghana mrakuni no na ejini to me free mu to say enye constitution they provide say OSP no ebedi obi enhyehyɛ so ne mmra so a ɔno a ɛwɔ ne tumi the authority so otimi di ne dwuma a eni so obi atiatia nanamo mu na obetu no a say tumi no ɔde ma no no ɛna wa kyerɛ ne say subject to clause 4 of article 88 of the constitution which is the supreme or say the office shall for the purposes of this act be authorized by the Attorney General to initiate and conduct the prosecution of corruption and corruption-related offenses. This is where the case is. Now, Office of the Special Prosecutor, they by a independent, no, no, original and also no one edijumano. Per the OSP Act Nankasano. And Article 88 of the Constitution I refer to say OSP Act no specify say the Attorney General and a authorization for prosecutions. So what said the no. It OSP no be any do many na no. Oh, hear these institutions to collaborate to help him. And son with me, and especially he works by the authorization from Attorney General no. And son with me at Tunanamono. And the OSP say the time no person would dini juma or koswa no ye you know. Na interference wo. Onya the support from the other sectors. A bit said the Attorney General, the CID and other agencies that are supposed to help him. But fast forward, before I state what I want to state on this matter, Jeff enoto sumami. OSP asem no said your kanu obua wo se omwa. This is from Aye Joy News Research Desk. Now information ya pick it from Aye OSP ni jumediemu. Follow me on Facebook in Sha 104.5. 2020, the number of cases at OSP initiated was 2. Only 2. 2021, the number of cases SH 2 are 2022 it 13. 2023 about 19 to progress no, and systematically how a progress in the echo and oko 2024 a pre-echo 27 now share 2025 even within the first half of the year, because OSP has explained to us say no onya hindrances e 2024 the information bi wo ne no ma bi wo pa onya the cases bi wo ha na ye den ama no so obetumi follow. But now look at this progress. Just the first half of 2025 share as of the time my Joy News Research Desk kumu akoreno na OSP cases not arising from 27 in 2024 to 70. To 70. Almost about 3 times of the war 2024. This tells you say there's massive progress and there's increase in even the number of cases of interest from the OSP's office. Echa will say then accusation now or they about non-collaborative attitude from other agencies. No? This is confirming it. There is a case shot a crossroad from 27 in 2024 to 70. And OSP account of voice amibo emu say no collaboration our panel nenseka. Said the nanoma esikwan kaneno entisa biem. Say the wonya collaboration. And maybe some say na papa na some work can nyina so they say. But Joy News Research Desk has proven to me say there's evidence to the fact say collaboration are open and say can't say no he's moving ahead and positively in the positive direction. Because from 27 in 2024 to 70 cases tells you say information are open free other agencies he's now getting it and there is collaboration. So my point here is IMF confirm said there is political interference and then hinder a anti-corruption system. No, OSP so can say na interference guma what they do medie. And first half of 2025, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as a corruption you pay bi wona ban mu. And so other all institutions so mbehwe fighting corruption ye. Now OSP so confirm say he is now getting collaboration with here dey no duma. My point is why the call for his sack? Whilst there is this evidence, actually say, and no man echoes year this time, just in less than about a year. Why the calls for his sack? Whilst you name say act na den buy no, as I did not sha buy lawyer penny ase say or due authorization free no crime and why prosecution based on the OSP Act. So he's not solely independent as we claim. I am pseudo independent. And so it takes the political will to fight corruption, yet me aboa this office to be successful. And my point is that let's allow the OSP to see Ejabin some time. Because it's evidence from this data that the collaboration at Ohiano this time he is getting it. And so he has no reason to fail. So let's allow him and give him the benefit of the doubt. In fact, within this 8 months, 10 months, whatever, the appointment of the Attorney General, who is also part of prosecution, government prosecution, is near the Adeno. How many people have been convicted or prosecuted? Ejiacho say, now that he has gotten collaboration, he should be given time to work up. I disagree with those calling for his immediate sack and all those things. It's evident that his job is now taking a positive direction because he's getting the collaboration he wasn't getting before. So let's allow him some time. Say, you're changing OSP, I'm the OSP Act. And Ryan such a idea didn't to me na akose Attorney General and Swasi. So obe control na by lawyer penny be control no authorizing YBB. Now face institutions now collaborate here. On to me successful. But now he has confirmed say collaboration no. Why not give him some time? So that's my take on the OSP. Na afi me de esiho. Now